mga bagay na gagawin. At tomorrow, 3,700 plus effectively will receive 5,000 pesos from the national government under the office of the President, our tricycle drivers. I hope whoever that agency is implementing it should reach the 10,700 tricycle drivers. For whatever it is worth, I hope they can do it ASAP. Because in a crisis, as you all know, time is always of the essence. Time is very valuable. Actions and timely actions is a very important key element in addressing a crisis situation. So sa ating mga tricycle driver, good luck bukas. At susunod na po na isumiti na rin namin yung listahan ng mga jeepney drivers. So yan po mga kababayan, mga kapwa ko lingkod bayan, ang ginagawa ng national government under the office of the President, Ferdinand Marcos Jr. at Executive Secretary Ralph Recto, yung financial assistance sa transport group. But tayo naman, you already heard it, about 1.7 billion. At huwag kayo mag-alala, may sweldo pa tayo ng 3 months. Steady lang kayo, huwag kayong kabahan. Di ba, Paul?
Yes, boss.
Ma-i-speak ka rito, Paul, pag wala pampasweldo. Now, third, I would like to recognize the following group of people. The champion, District 2 Basketball Chairman Team, Coach Nano Reyes and team members. Asan sila? Congratulations. Champion kayo ng basketball. Ito po yung nakarang sports fest done by Liga ng Barangay. District 5 Basketball Kagawad Team, Coach Rara Lopez and team members.
Wow, si Chairman, no?
District 4 Volleyball Men's Team, Coach Jeffrey Cortez and team members. District 5 Volleyball Women's Team, Coach Kagawad Cesar Bactol. Assistant Coach Trainer PB Nathan Relion and team members. Congratulations, palakpakan natin yung mga nag-champion sa ating paliga ng Liga ng Barangay sa lungsod ng Maynila. So, muli, mga kababayan, isa na namang linggo ng paglilingkod. At least 4 days lang. Happy ba kayo? 4 days lang? Ha? Parang gusto nyo nang umuwi. I'm happy for you. You know, in an extended hour of work, you save 1 trip of the week. That may cost money, whether it is gasoline or pamasahe. And second, 2 meals. You don't have to buy on a Friday outside of your household. Kung anong ulam sa bahay, yun na rin ang inyong kakainin. 3, you have more time with your family. Good for you. 4, you can sleep better, rest well, and fully energized on a Monday.
Yes.
Kaya, in a way, as I have been saying to your department head, sometimes you can utilize your adversity in your advantage. These are the challenges of our lives, and we can utilize it in our favor. So, dumidepende lang yan sa mindset ng tao or outlook sa buhay. But I think we've saved a lot of money already, and today is the report of the to December 2025, including collection derived from 2025 advance payment for 2026 amounting to 1,068,671,000. On top of your RPT early release, as I have committed to you last December during the Christmas party that we had, I always tell you that what is due to you will be given to you. Barangay clearances and certificate of October 2025 to February 2026 will also be released on top of your RPT. To our students, shout out mga taga UDM. 9,174 students. To Pamantasan Lungsod ng Maynila, students 7,869 with a total of 17,043 for release on March 16 to March 19.
Ngayon yun
Pelma, maganda na kayo. I hope itong ating mga mag-aral ay kahit papano may mabubunot sila para sa pamasahe man lang at baon. With total amount of 51,129,000. Bureau of Jail,
Vicente. Nandun.
425. To our beloved public school teachers, with 11,490 of them. To Manila Police District,
Uy.
4,510 of them, with a total of 16,425. Yung allowance ninyo January to March, makukuha nyo na amounting to 103,289,834. Start of release, March 16 to 19. To our hospital na Sampaloc, 327 of them. Santa Ana Hospital, 685. Jose Abad Santos General Hospital, 697. Gat Andres Bonifacio Hospital, 764. Hospital ng Maynila, 1,261. Hospital ng Tondo, 282. Manila Health Department, 2,479. With a total of 6,495 individuals, your PhilHealth sharing will be released from January to March of this year, amounting to 71 million pesos. This includes JO and COS.
Tatanggap ng GO.
To our senior high school students and Bureau of Fire, we're just awaiting for your payroll, and some of it arrived today. You will receive your January to March. Same thing with Bureau of Fire, amounting to 12,494,376. The total individuals, direct individuals, is more or less about 330,000
Dami.
of them Manileño. That is amounting to about
Billion.
30% of our, 1.5%. 15% of our population. And most of these are the head of the family that may, what you call, trickling down effect. So this is the share of the city to our people. Maramdaman nila na ipinagmamalasakit at nauunawaan sila ng pamahalang lungsod ng Maynila. Now, with the barangay, with the 1,068,000,000, I hope you utilize this money effectively on the same direction of the city government. Augmentation, stimulant, or anything that can create what you call the buying power of a person. If we can raise the buying capacity or buying power, purchasing power of our community, then the businesses will benefit from it, the jobs will be protected, and the economy is continue to evolve, or what you call the velocity of money effect. So, muli sa inyong lahat, mga kapwa ko kawani, nandito po ang ating isa sa mga naghahanap buhay. And I think mga batang Santa Cruz, kilalang kilala nila to. Gusto ko lang pasalamatan ang TKL Steel Corporation with Ms. Janica Chua, AVP Sales and Marketing, Mr. Candid Capistrano, AVP HR Admin. Sila po ay magdo-donate ng 2 bagong ambulansya. Thank you very much, ma'am. Basasaan na kayo ng ulan. Again, with the announcement, sana po sana mapakinabangan talaga ng tao.